What is going on, everybody? It's your man, Krasbane Felber, back with another video. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to this video, guys. How you doing today? I am doing fantastic. It is a very special day. I got the Buffalo shirt on. I'm repping it today for today's video because you're going to see a lot of Buffalo today. It's going to be a day in the diet type video where I just show you, what I do on a typical day. I'm with my girlfriend. I don't know if you saw that wave there, but we are headed to Perk's, and it's going to be a great first meal of the day. We're going there for breakfast. And if you are new to this channel, I am a vegan fitness and personal development based YouTube channel. So if you want to join the tribe, that vegan tribe, then hit that subscribe button below. And if you want to be part of the notification squad, then tick that little bell icon right next to the subscription button. So we are about to head outside right now. Perk's Cafe offers a lot of great vegan options, so I'm super excited. So I'm not going to waste any more of your time. We're going to head out. We're going to get there, and we're going to see the place, see how it is, and I'm guessing the food is going to be absolutely delicious. Alright, we're here at Perk's. We're ready to go inside. We're very hungry. So we're going to show you guys the whole experience, and hopefully it's delicious. Okay, so this is Perk's Cafe on Elmwood. I just showed you guys. The food looks amazing. They made the food beforehand, so what I have is the Pesto Scramble wrap, and she got what's called the Elmwood Avenue. It's this bagel with vegan sausage and tofu and vegan cream cheese. They have a lot of good vegan options here. I'm very excited to dig into this. Mine also has vegan sausage and tofu. So let me show you guys the food. Look at that. That is looking amazing. And then the breakfast bagel there. She's been waiting. It's time to eat. Vegan cream cheese, so good. I gotta ask if they make their own vegan sausage, because this is very good. They do? I've been informed they do. And Julie just brought us out a vegan protein shake. This has got coconut chia pudding with some protein powder, dark chocolate sauce, and peanut butter, I think. Well, that was an incredible meal. Emily, are you satisfied? What? I'm just licking my fingers.
Don't put that in there. It's disgusting.
It's going in there. All right, successful breakfast, which I'd never really eat, so it was nice. It was nice to finally eat breakfast. Well, now we're in downtown Buffalo. That's where Perk's is, so I wanted to film a little bit out here. And I think you guys will enjoy the shots down here, so let's get into it. So it's a little bit after we went to Perk's. Hopefully you guys enjoyed those shots of Buffalo. I'm now in my backyard, and I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about flexible dieting, which can be related to today's meal. So flexible dieting, the name kind of explains itself. You're dieting still, you're still trying to stay lean, you're still trying to be in shape for the summer, but you know, you still want to eat some of the foods you love. So for this, I use the 80-20 rule. So the 80-20 rule is basically eating 80% of, you know, those healthy foods, the good foods like just staple vegan foods such as rice, beans, broccoli, things that aren't processed basically. And then 20% of the foods can be processed stuff like, you know, your chips. Going out to eat, so like we just did, is totally fine 20% of the time. So you don't need to cut everything out. I also made a video on how to lose weight and eat what you want. You can watch that. There'll be a card in the top right hand. So we're not focusing on completely cutting everything out of our diet. We're just focusing on
balance.
Yeah, balance, what she said. And she also has a good rule. She calls it the before 4 rule. She found it out. What is that?
Where like you eat all like your normal healthy, like you were saying, like your normal healthy staples before 4 o'clock. So then like your last meal of the day would be like a indulgent type of meal.
I like that.
4 o'clock wouldn't be your last meal, it would be like your last 3.
Yeah, I eat too late in the day for that to work for me, so tweak it to whatever you're liking, you know, maybe before 6, before 7. Basically the same principle as the 80-20 rule. We are back. It's a little bit into the future. My mom is making food in the kitchen for 4th of July tomorrow, but today I'm going to the beach. It's decided. Unfortunately, my girlfriend had work. That sucks, but I just wanted to show you guys before I left to go to the beach what I'm bringing to the beach, to show you guys, you know, what type of meals you can bring to the beach that are really easy to make and high in protein. So I'm bringing this lunch box here, and we got a couple sandwiches, a sweet sandwich and a savory sandwich. So this one is a tempeh sandwich with kale, guac. I sauteed some onions with the tempeh and a little bit of salsa in there as well. And then the second sandwich is just a typical peanut butter banana sandwich. So sandwiches are super easy to make and good for the beach because they're compact. You don't have to get everything together. And they're just really easy, high protein meals. And the bread I use is Ezekiel bread because that is the best type. So we're gonna head on over to the beach. I'm already sweating. I need to get into the water, so you guys will see when I am there. We are out here on the beach. Absolutely beautiful day. Sun is setting. Got a bunch of peeps with me right now. Maxfield, Daniel, one half of Freak the Mighty. Yo, I got a question for you guys. The question I have for you guys is, if your life were a movie, what would the title be?
No Country for Old Men.
No Country for Old Men. If your life were the movie, what would the title be?
Shaun of the Dead.
Shaun of the Dead? Why is that?
You guys want to Whoa!
I don't know if that was...
Constantine delivered the hard truth.
I got an answer, Daniel?
To be off the top. Man, this is cliche and boring, but I would definitely say Freak the Mighty as the first thing.
Freak the Mighty. Okay, we are back from Sunset Bay. I had a very good day, very long day. Full of good food, full of good friends. Got to see the fireworks as well, which is awesome. Oh, this angle's crap. But I am ending my day with a bowl of oats, which I've showed in a lot of my previous videos. It's just oats, peanut butter, cacao powder, chia seeds, blueberries, bananas, and protein powder. But that is going to end this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the edit. I hope you enjoyed everything in the video. Thank you for watching till the end. If you did enjoy, as always, leave that like for me. It does help me a lot. And I will catch you guys in the next video.